In this tutorial, we'll help you to learn how to migrate WordPress website using all-in-one WP Migration WordPress plugin. We are importing backup WordPress web file. I'm using WAMP local server. Strongly disagree with XAMPP local server, because XAMPP always facing SQL error. You can use same method in your live server. In this method, you can only install WordPress after updating domain DNS of domain name. You must point to hosting DNS name server to your domain name through DNS Manager. Check previous tutorial to learn how to install WordPress in localhost. Please note these important configuration. Increase max post size, upload size and memory. Update these values above backup file size. You can update these values in php.ini in your server, or WP installation directory. There are too many methods to upgrade server features in WP. I suggest always keep server-side updation. Log into your WordPress site, go to Installed Plugins under Plugins. I have removed all inbuilt plugins already. We need to install WP All-in-One Migration Plugin to import backup file. Click Add New. Search Migration. Choose Plugin and install. Then activate. Now All-in-One Migration Plugin activated successfully. Now we need to copy the backup file to the Migration Plugin backup directory. I'm using local server. This is my local server website folder. Open WP content, open AI1WM backups, paste the backup file. Click Backup under Migration menu. We can see the backup file just pasted. Click Restore. We need an extra add-on to restore plugin all-in-one unlimited add-on. I have the add-on. You can download from description link, copy plugin zip file and extract under plugin folder. You can also install the plugin through WP dashboard. Click Activate. Go to Backups. Click Restore. Now we can restore backup directly. Click Proceed. It will take time based on your server speed. You can increase server speed based on instruction mentioned at the beginning. Now backup imported successfully, click Finish then refresh, it will redirect to restored website. Log in and check the website. Backup successfully migrated, click View Site to check front end. We are successfully migrated. Thanks for watching.